Earthquake is the shaking of the ground caused by the sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust.
Ang magnitude 6.8 na lindol.
There are some places to do if you encounter an earthquake. Ring the siren or bell for 1 minute so that everyone is aware of the earthquake. During the shaking, perform duck, cover, and hold. Remain in that position until shaking stops. After the shaking, all building occupants evacuate to the evacuation areas. At the designated evacuation area, the evacuees must be grouped together. Make sure all evacuees are accounted for. For the last phase, check evacuees if they have injuries. Stay ready for the disaster, keep calm, preparedness today can save lives come what may.